Hello, this is Sisraj, and today we are presenting a quiz on world's GK. So it's very interesting quiz today. So are you ready? Okay, so now we will start the quiz, and you will you can watch here about 26-27 questions in English. Okay, so let's come. First question. This is the flag of which country? You are looking a flag in this picture. So this is the flag of which country? Option. The right answer is Germany. Okay. Question number 2, here it is. What is the name of this building? You are looking a building. So what is the name of this building? Options. So I think the correct answer is Sydney Opera House. Yes, the correct answer is option number 2, Sydney Opera House. Okay. Now question number 3. Buenos Aires is the capital of which country? Buenos Aires is the capital of which country? ब्यूनस आयरस किस कंट्री की कैपिटल है? ब्यूनस आयरस, कोलंबिया, पेरू, अर्जेंटीना, ब्राज़ील. So the correct answer is Argentina. Okay, next question. Where is this famous clock? You are looking a clock in this picture. So where it is? Option. Prague, London, Berlin, Paris. So the correct answer is London. Okay, next question, here it is. What is the capital of Austria? What is the capital of Austria? Options. Helsinki, Brussels. So the correct answer is Vienna. The capital of Austria is Vienna. Okay, next question. Where is the Oriental Pearl TV Tower? Where is the Oriental Pearl TV Tower? Tibet, Beijing, Tokyo, Shanghai in China. So the correct answer is Shanghai in China, option number D. Next question. How old is Earth? How old is Earth? यानी पृथ्वी कितने साल पुरानी है? So the correct answer is 4.543 billion years. So the Earth is 4.543 billion years old. So the correct option is option number B. The Earth is 4.543 billion years old. Next question. What country has this flag? ये जो फ्लैग देख रहे हैं आप, ये कौन सी कंट्री से रिलेटेड है? Ireland, Scotland, Norway, Great Britain. So the correct answer is Ireland. Next question. What is the biggest country in the world? What is the biggest country in the world? So the correct answer is Russia. Russia is the biggest country in the world. Next question. The longest river in the world is Mississippi, Nile. So the correct answer is Amazon River. Amazon River is the longest river in the world. Next question. What is the nearest US state to Pennsylvania? Okay. What is the nearest US state? So the correct answer is New York. Next question. Here it is. The country of Botswana is in. The country of Botswana is in North Africa, Central Africa. So the correct answer is South Africa. Botswana is in South Africa. Next question. What country is the singer Justin Bieber from? Justin Bieber जो singer है वो किस country से हैं? So the correct answer is Canada. Yes, the right answer is Canada. Justin Bieber is from Canada. Next question. What is the location of the Taj Mahal? Nepal, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh. Yes, your answer is correct. India. Taj Mahal is located in India. Next question. What is the name of the tallest skyscraper in New York? So Chrysler Building, One World Trade Center, 432 Park Avenue, Empire State Building. So the correct answer is One World Trade Center is the tallest skyscraper in New York. One World Trade Center is the tallest skyscraper in New York. Next question. The Parthenon is located in which city? Parthenon is located in which city? So the correct answer is Athens. The Parthenon is located in Athens city. Next questions for you. The largest ocean in earth is the largest ocean on earth. दुनिया में पृथ्वी पर सबसे बड़ा महासागर. So the correct answer is Pacific Ocean, प्रशांत महासागर. Next question. The Great Barrier Reef is off the coast of which country? The Great Barrier Reef is off the coast of which country? Canada, Japan, Brazil, Australia. So the correct answer is Australia. The Great Barrier Reef, Australia. Next question. Which country is the largest in South America by surface area? Which country is the largest in South America by surface area? Colombia, Peru, Argentina, Brazil. So the correct answer is option number D, Brazil. Next question. Number 10 Downing Street in which of these locations? Number 10 Downing Street. Option Scotland, London, New York, Washington DC. So the correct answer is London. Number 10 Downing Street. Next question. The Golden Gate Bridge is located in San Francisco. The Golden Gate Bridge is located in San Francisco. Next, the Eiffel Tower is located in New York, Berlin, Paris, London. Yes, your answer is correct. Paris. It is in France. So the Eiffel Tower is located in Paris. Next question. Siberia is a region in which country? Mongolia, China, India, or Russia? So the correct answer is Russia. Siberia is a region in Russia country. Option D, Siberia, Russia. Next question. Tasmania is a region in which country? Tasmania is a region in which country? So the correct answer is Australia. Tasmania is a region in Australia country. Next question. What is world's largest landlocked country that has no border on an ocean? So the correct answer is Kazakhstan. Option A, Kazakhstan. So Kazakhstan is world's largest landlocked. Question next. What is the capital of Turkey? So Madrid, Istanbul, Rome, Ankara. So the correct answer is Ankara. Ankara is the capital of Turkey. Next question. This is the flag of which country? Last question. This is the flag of which country? So the correct answer is Portugal. This is the flag of Portugal country. So आपको कैसा लगा? How you feel to see this quiz of about 27 questions on world's GK? So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Namaste.